Good day, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Noble Creative Digital Marketing Agency. I hope you guys are doing great. So, in today's video, we'll be designing a logo, an hype style logo for a brand. So, without wasting much of our time, let's dive into this business. So, it's going to be combining of Pixellab, smartphone, Android, also your Photopea.com. So, let's begin a bit. So, the first thing you have to bring out is to bring out a shape. So you click on your plus button, then you bring out a shape, then you change the radius to this 100%, then you reduce the opacity, and when you reduce the opacity, you go to your stroke and give it something like this 15, then you change the stroke to white color. Good. Then you actually do it like this. Good to know what we are doing. So let me check if I'm going to reduce the stroke. Good. So the next thing I have to do right there is to bring out another shape button, then I have to put it here. So you change this color, the shape color, to any color of your choice. You can change it to red. So after you change it to red, you click on your layer. So after you click on your layer, you click on this, then mesh them together. So after meshing them together, you go to your erase color. Then I want that the other side, not this side. So you click on this, on this brush. So you click on this, then you click on the red, then you click on your mark button. Good. Can you see it has bring it out? So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to duplicate this. Duplicate it. Good. So after you duplicate it, you got to put it here. So set it. Good. So after you set it, then you merge them together. Good. So after merging them together, you can actually reduce it. Then you can actually bring it to the middle. So use your relative position to bring it to the middle. Good. So after you bring it to the middle, the next thing you're going to do right now is to bring out another shape. Yeah, this shape. Then adjust it. You can actually zoom it. Good. Still adjust it. Then you bring it here. So let me see what I'm doing. Let me zoom it back. Good. So I think we are good. So let it be aligned with that. Good. Good. So let me zoom it again to place it where. Good. So let's place it where. Good. So this is where I align. Position key to move it up a little bit. So, okay, good. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to copy this. Good. Then you position it here. Position it here. So let it be aligned. Sorry. So you have to make sure it is well aligned with this. So you have to make sure it comes down a little bit. Position it again. So the next thing we're going to do right now, so click on your plus button, then bring out the shape, you change the radius to this, then you have to make sure it is small, then you have to position it up here. So let me position it so they will know that it is high. Okay, so this one has to come down this one has to come down a little bit, and this one will come down a little bit. Position. So let's position it again. It needs to come down a little bit. So let me check if they are aligned together now. Good. So we can go on. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is I want the down one to be aligned together and not this side. So what I'm going to do, the next thing I'm going to do right now is to run the shape. Run a shape, then you place the shape here. Good. Good. So the next thing is to change the color to red. So after you change the color, you have to merge them together. So this, you meshed the two together. Sorry. you mesh the two together. Good. So after you mesh it together, you go to your erase color, then you click on the same that place again, then you click on the red. Good. Can you see they are aligned together now? So the next thing you're going to write your star. So you click on this, on new text, then you write star. Star. Change to capital letter. Okay, star bar. So you change it to a capital letter. After your route is finished, you're going to go to your relative your font, then you give it something bold. So I actually use Montestera font, Montestera bold, extra bold for some of my fonts. So that's what I'm going to use. Then you have to place it here. Let it come down a little bit. You place it here. Good. So that is IB star. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to go to your shape again, then you change the shape to star, you reduce the opacity, then you increase the stroke to something like this, then give it white color again. So you're going to reduce it a little bit, reduce it, then sorry, let's do it again, reduce it, so give it something like this, reduce it here. So after you reduce it, you're going to position it well on that star. So let's go. So good. So you can now. So the next thing now is to mesh everything together. So you start from the bottom and mesh everything together. Good. So you can now actually place it at the middle, relative position. You click here and click here. That is at the middle. So the next thing now is to bring out this thing that I use. I would have download. I downloaded it now. So this is what I use for it. So this is the color. This is the gradient color I use for it. So I'm going to be doing it from the same from scratch. Yeah, from scratch. I'm going to be doing it from scratch. So after you've done it finished, the next thing we're going to do right now is to click here. You know, we've made them together, so you actually change the color to any color you want to use it for. Can you see B? You can change it to this, you can change it to any color of your choice. You can change it to white, you can change it to this, and everything will change. But we are not using that, we are using this green color. I have used it before, but I'll be starting from beginning again. So I'll be starting from the scratch. So let's go. So you click on your gradient color, then you click on this plus button. So you click here. This is the first one you're going to use. So you click here, then you click here again. So let's go. So you click on this place so that we can actually bring out the color. So you click first this one. Good. So another one is you click on your plus button. See your plus button here. So you click on it. If you bring out another one, so you click on the one you brought out, then you click on this again, then you click on the brush, then you bring out this one, this blue color. Good. So you give it, so you click on the plus button again, the same thing, you click on the color picker on the brush. So I guess I have brought out this one. Good. So you now leave it and click the last one. So this is the last one. So you click the last one, this one, you click on it, then you click on this, then you bring out the color picker. So I think I use something like this. Good. So we are not using this this style, we are using this style. So we are using this style. So this is the style we are using. So you now click OK. So after you click OK, can you see it now? Can you see that makes sense? So you can now delete this one. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click on your background, this place, you click on your transparent, then you save it as a project and you save it as an image also. So you click on it, it is already in PNG, you leave it, then you click on the default, then you go to your very eye, you click on it, then you click on save. So go, so it has saved. So the next thing we are going to do right now is to go to your photopea.com. So let's move to photopea.com. So guys, welcome to photopea.com. Welcome to the second phase of this tutorial. So without wasting much of your time, let's go. So the first thing you have to do right now is to click on your file, then you click on open. So after you click on open, it will direct you to your file again. Then you click on wherever your your PSD file is. So I save it in my drive. So I'm going to look for the PSD file that I use. So I'm coming, let it load. Good. So this is the PSD file that I use. So I'm going to wait for it to load. Good. So it has loaded. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click here. This layer, this place. So you click on it. So you double tap this place your logo here, double tap it. So after you double tap it, you click on the eye to hit this one. So the next thing you're going to do now is to click on your file again, then you click on open and place. So after you click on open and place, it will show you here, then you click on file, then you click on your recent, the one that we just did right now. So this one. So you have to increase it a little bit, increase it a little bit, increase it, yeah. Sorry. Good. Don't rotate it though. So let me start from the beginning again. You click on the layer, double tap it, click on this. So let's go to my file again, open and place. Then you click on this one we just did right now. Then you have to increase it, then you place it at the middle. Good. So you leave it like this. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is you click on your file, then you click on save smart object, where that blue this is. So you have to wait for it to load. So smart object updated. So after it updated, you have to click on your PSD file to show it. Good. So this is what it shows us, but we are not using this side, although you can actually download this one. So let's download it. So you go to your file, then you export as PNG, then you click on save. And normally we don't want this one, we don't want this style. So because of this, we are going to do another thing. So you click on your layer again, you go to where they write the color effect, this place. So you click on it. So let's go. You click on it. So after you click on it, where they write this logo, this logo, this place. So you have to click on this arrow here. You click on the arrow there. Good. So after you click on the arrow, you're going to show effect, bevel and emboss, gradient overlay, drop shadow. So the next thing you're going to do right now is to click on this gradient overlay high. Click on the high to edit. So I have clicked on it. Can you see it now? So that's brought out the color we use. So the next thing you're going to do right now is you click on your file again, then you click on export as PNG. So you click on saved. Good. So now you can now check your gallery to see what you do, or you can open it from here, but I don't want to open it from here for some reason. So because of that, we are done with this tutorial. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get more updates from the channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching once again. So as you subscribe, may God bless you in Jesus' name. Amen.